Cats are an enigma that have captured the hearts of people for thousands of years. Their mysterious personalities and adorable looks have made them an incredibly popular pet, and according to a survey, 18% of households in the UK alone are ruled by a cat. With so many cats around us, surely that would mean that everyone knows everything possible about them, right? Wrong. There are so many interesting facts about cats that you probably haven't heard of, from the world's largest cat to the surprising way they walk. Number 1.
Cats spend between 30 to 50% of their day grooming themselves.
This behavior serves several purposes. It helps cats tone down their scent so they can avoid predators. Grooming also serves as a sign of affection between two cats, and it's thought that saliva contains enzymes that serve as a natural antibiotic for wounds.
Number 2.
The world's oldest living cat is 31 years old.
As for the world's oldest living cat, the title belongs to a somewhat cranky white and orange kitty named Rubble. He celebrated his 31st birthday in June. The average lifespan is 12 to 18 years.
Number 3.
Cats cannot taste sweets.
Cats are genetically predisposed to not able to taste sweets. They will likely nibble off your plate if it contains meat, but they leave it alone if it's laden with cake.
Number 4.
Most of their lives are spent sleeping.
Beyond grooming all the time, according to one estimate, a cat spends nearly 2/3 of its life asleep. That cat spends their 2/3 life during sleeping, it's naturally common that predator animals sleep longer during the days. Cats usually spend 13 to 16 hours a day in sleep.
Number 5.
The longest cat lived.
The longest living cat on record, according to the Guinness Book, belongs to the late Crump Puff of Austin, Texas, who lived to the ripe old age of 38 years and 3 days.
Number 6.
Cats have more bones than humans, many of which are in their tail.
Even though the human body is obviously larger than that of a cat, cats have many more bones, approximately 11% more. Most of the extra bones are found in the backbone extending to the tail, which gives the cat extra flexibility. The famous flexibility of cats can be attributed to extra bones. The tail alone has 19 to 23 vertebrae, about 10% of the bones in the body.
Number 7.
Cats sweat through their paws.
As cats evolved as desert animals, they are able to cope up with heat. However, the ways in which cats sweat are very different than the way sweat manifests in humans. Cats actually sweat through their paws. If a cat overheats, it secretes sweat through her paws. A cat may leave a trail of wet footprints on the floor.
Number 8.
More clear vision than humans.
The vision of the cat has been just similar to human in daylight, but they can see far better than us in the dark night. It's all because of its big pupils and the power to gather light behind the eye due to a pensive retinal surface.
Number 9.
Fingerprints are not unique.
Just like a human's fingerprints, a cat's nose is completely unique and is made up of tiny bumps and ridges that are useful to identify different cats.
Number 10.
Their brains are 90% similar to humans.
Cats' brains are much smaller than ours, but they are also built very similarly. 90% similarly. The size of a brain doesn't really say much about intelligence. Cats are incredibly smart and they think for themselves. Cats simply do not engage in tasks that they don't see as rewarding to them, and they will choose to spend their time on something better